So hello and what is up guys. So in today's video I will show you guys how to set up MSI Afterburner to show you FPS and etc. So open MSI Afterburner first. Then go to MSI Afterburner setting tab. So after coming here, click on monitoring. So here you can enable anything you want to, like GPU temperature. Like I click on GPU temperature, it will be like this, blanked. So now you have to click on show in on screen display. So here it will show you in OSD. So anything you want, click on in OSD. Like here I want to see the CPU temperature, so I will click on show in OSD, and I want to know the overall CPU usage, so I will click on show in OSD. Okay guys, I don't want to see the CPU power, so I don't have clicked on CPU power. I want to know the RAM usage of games, so I clicked on show in OSD. And now in frame rate I have clicked on show in OSD, and it's done. So press apply and OK, and here you can apply the overclock settings for your graphic cards. You can know the overclock settings on the internet. So after applying all these settings, you will, when you will run the game, you will get the pop-up here about the status of your configuration of your system. Okay guys, so if you have any other problem related to your PC, so you can comment down and like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.